machen wir den wieder weiter? Okay, da unten ist 11, wie Lester wahrscheinlich. Gehen wir aber noch nicht 3. Machen wir uns erst was anderes zum da. Okay, jetzt direkt weiter in der Butze von Michael. Erst mit chillen. Aber warum? Mann. Wir haben noch einen Haufen Schulden. Schwierige Schulden. Uh oh.
I keep hearing a Hermaphrodite this, a cock that.
Go away.
What?
Go watch your linear entertainment. Go watch porn. Just go away.
Shit.
Oh, der Klappstuhl.
Respectful little asshole.
I can't believe you did that. That's my TV.
You don't talk to me like that.
I can't believe you. Mom was right about you. You don't know any better and you can't help it, but you're an asshole.
Yeah, well, why don't you do something then? Besides just stand there. Why don't you hit me?
Is that what you want, to be hit by your son?
Yeah. No. I just want you to do something. Besides, sit there, eating.
Yeah, great. Thanks for the fucking guidance, Dad. It means a lot.
Wait. I'm just trying to help you.
Yeah, well, nothing says I love you like smashing my fucking TV. Nothing at all.
Ja, die Herangehensweise ist ein bisschen fragwürdig.
I'm sorry. I just wish we could do things together.
Yeah, what things?
I don't know. Go for walks, play ball.
You know I have bad glands.
Bike ride then.
Bike ride? You want to go on a fucking bike ride? Fine, fine, let's go on a fucking bike ride.
Okay. Jetzt hat er doch keinen Bock drauf. Ach, Leute. Fangt's eigentlich mal wirklich. Jetzt wird es ja keiner geben. Macht der Gewohnheit. Ja, nehmen wir das. Hat dicke Reifen, let's go. Halte wieder zu radeln und drücke, um schneller zu radeln. Yo! Michael schwitzt einfach schon direkt. Bunny Hop, okay. Ich weiß nicht, ob das schlecht ist, wenn ich Jimmy einfach hinten lasse. Egal. Aus dem Weg. Wir sind schon da.
Looks like you're buying your own TV.
You know, this is real nice, Dad. Bonding, good times.
Yeah, I'm giving it my best shot. Come on, we're having fun, right?
You wouldn't know fun if it sat on your face.
Ah, come on.
I mean, why do I have to hold your hand through this whole midlife crisis bullshit? And why don't you stick your nose up Tracy's butt sometime?
Because Tracy doesn't buy cars she can't afford, so that thugs break in our house. Tracy doesn't get kidnapped or destroy my yacht.
Well, that's just because she's too busy getting fucked by dudes to get on TV.
You don't talk about your sister that
Ist ja auch nicht die Sache, oder?
Sorry, but it's true. I mean, according to her Life Invader page, she's hanging out with producers and porno guys this afternoon.
What are you talking about?
Actually, it's all happening right out there.
What?
That boat that makes yours look like a refugee raft? You know the kind of boat. The one that makes a young, impressionable girl drop her pants and spread her legs.
This is the reason you brought me here, isn't it? You fuck.
Oh,
Dad, wait!
uncool. Uncool. Let's go. Oh, das Rochen. So, der mal gleich ein bisschen unseren Tauchskill ein bisschen erhöhen. Werden wir doch ganz gediegen zur Yacht rüberfetzen, um Tracy da rauszuholen aus dieser Scheiße, aus dieser Psychose. Und klar, eigentlich ist ja ihr Sache, aber in Real Life würde ich das auch nicht cool finden. Ja, wir kennen ja Michael in seiner Midlife-Crisis. Dignity. Hallo. Und da ist er schon. Unangenehm. So entschärft eine Situation.
Dad, you're you're embarrassing me. These are my friends.
Yeah, you're embarrassing her, dude. They're shooting porno here.
They shoot porno all over town. Mom rented
Wunderbar.
our house to them last summer.
What?
What?
Yeah.
Man, you got a killer pad, Mr.
Isn't it awesome?
Let's go. Those walls can talk.
You think I do it?
Hey,
No.
hey,
Shit,
ain't cool,
Daddy.
man.
What are you doing?
Zeig Dominanz, Michael.
You're such a jerk.
Oh, Michael ist schon ein cooler Typ.
Dad, you dumbass. These guys are serious.
Yeah, well, so am I. Go to the scene of my fucking boat. Oh, motherfuckers.
So ein dominanter Typ. Das ist schon echt lustig.
Get you alive.
Und ciao.
God damn it.
Und jetzt haben wir wieder Stress am Hals. Jawohl. Ciao, ciao. Wir verpissen uns mal.
Gee, they're coming. Go into that outlet.
Okay.
All right.
Dann machen wir das doch. Ich finde es ein bisschen beunruhigend, dass die auf uns schießen.
Popping off at us.
Oh, jo, ich sehe fast gar nichts. Was soll denn das, hä?
We'll lose them down here. Who the fuck are these people?
Oh, you know, TV people, celebs, serious drug dealers.
Well, since when did TV people and drug dealers start hanging out?
Come on, Dad, it's Los Santos.
Stimmt, das ist Los Santos.
Get away from them.
Come on, let us go.
Ja, das soll ich sie jetzt umnatzen? Ich hab keine Ahnung.
Looks like this is the way out. Back off, assholes.
Gott sei Dank kann man die Jetskis echt gut steuern.
I can't believe I sort of had sex with you, you psychopath.
Ja, gell? Und schon bist du wieder froh.
Back up, you pricks.
Meine Güte.
Oh my God, God, they're gone. Oh my God. Oh, this is the worst.
They're gone? Cool. See, it's okay. I'll take you back to Jim.
Okay? No, it's not okay. Not at all.
Hey, we're alive, aren't we? Those psychos didn't kill you.
Psychos! Only you can get me chased out of a party with effing guns.
Yeah, huh? Well, maybe you're in the wrong fucking parties.
I see that traitor. Gimme! Gimme! You fucking asshole!
Listen, he's the fucking asshole, okay? He smashed my TV and he took me to the beach. The beach with my skin.
So what, you sent him out to spoil my day too?
I didn't know that he was gonna come get you. I just told him where you were. You know, he got that crazy look in his eyes, you know, like he gets sometimes, and he just went.
I'm getting a cab.
Coming with you.
How about I just drive us home?
You ruined my life.
Ah, das ist die falsche Richtung, Girl. Ah, ich weiß nicht, da. Ja, wenigstens das 100%. Ja, also Michael, der sorgt sich halt um seine Kids auch. Ah, das hat natürlich nicht optimal gelaufen und so. Ja, ich kann's verstehen. Ich kann's verstehen, aber auf der anderen Seite, die Reaktion von den Kindern ist halt irgendwie auch völlig übertrieben. Völlig übertrieben. Triathlon ist jetzt verfügbar. Ja, gar kein Bock, Alter. Ja, dann sind wir ja eigentlich schon in der Nähe vom Psychodoktor. Vom Friedlander. Friedlander. Cool, haben wir nicht schon vorbei zum Schauen, oder? Außer es kostet einen Haufen.
Yeah, thanks, Doc.
How have you been?
Oh, good. Things been good. No, actually, things ain't been good. Things been a far fucking way from good. I've been acting out. That's what you would call it, I think, right? Acting out.
So what exactly has been the problem?
I'm not good, Doc. Not good at all.
I'm sorry to hear that. Tell me.
I don't know. I guess we've been having these conversations long enough that I can recognize a trigger when I see one. You know? Shit that's gonna put me right over the fucking edge. Like my family. My son. My daughter. My wife, especially my wife. I mean, they just set me right off, Doc. You know, there's been this episode. You know, actually it was a culmination of a series of episodes. I pulled this Mexican's house right off the fucking hill. I mean, I think I'm back in it, Doc. I'm back into life. I mean, I gotta make some money, and there's only a couple ways I know how to do it.
You feel the need to explain your decisions, Michael. Take responsibility. So, any other violent urges, friend?
Yeah, I mean, I've had good days, Doc, but mostly they've just been really bad days. I've been doing really bad things, hurting people.
You're a very sick man, Michael.
Ja, no shit.
I'm doing all I can, but we need more sessions.
Ganz ehrlich. Mehrere Sessions, ich bin dafür.
I really just want to be happy, Doc. Is that so bad?
Okay.
Oh.
But what about your sexual behaviors?
I've been a really good boy, Doc. Really good. Not one problem.
I'm glad to hear that.
Yeah. Wenigstens das.
Working it. This is great.
I just ain't myself right now, Doc. Not since my life went crazy.
You're plainly addicted to chaos.
Well, I'm not sure that's true, Doc. I'm not exactly enjoying myself here. You know, what I'm addicted to is not getting killed. But for some reason, I keep getting my ass into situations where getting killed is a little hard to avoid.
What about the people you kill?
Well, yeah, but that's not for fun.
Are you sure?
What exactly are you asking, Doc? Am I a psychopath who enjoys suffering? Or a sociopath who doesn't give a flying fuck about the rules? Come on, we've already had this conversation, right? I'm neither. I'm just a fat, washed-up jock who can't get his head around the fact that his high school football career didn't play out the way that he planned. The only way I'm content and competent is with a gun in my hand or a price on my head.
You're very defensive, Michael. Do you consider yourself a failure?
Seine Football-Karriere hat
Man,
nicht
you don't
hingehauen,
listen to my
also.
problems. I'm rich. I'm miserable. I mean, half the time my kids can't stand me. The other half, my wife is cheating on me. I kill people without remorse, Doc. Hell, I'm pretty average for this town, really. Hey, wait a minute. That's the shot. I think I'm having a breakthrough here, Doc. I know that I'm just terrified that
I'm sure
gonna...
you are, but that's really all we have time for.
Ey, das ist so sad.
See you next time.
Okay.
Okay. Ich glaube, diese Stunden beim Friedlander, die helfen und kosten $500. Schön. Oh, das ist geil, da erfahrt man ein bisschen mehr. Ja, was, ich glaube, ich tue jetzt nochmal auf Franklin switchen. Lol. Der kommt aber aus dem Stripclub. Ehre. Hello.
Hey, boo! I knew you couldn't stay away.
Die kennen wir ja schon.
Do you ever clean your raggedy bitch ass up?
Fuck you, Lamar. I mean, Franklin or whatever. Everybody on the block knows
Einfach Lamar.
Vinewood and shit.
Well, shit, if going Vinewood means I ain't hitting the pipe like 1992, then shit, I'm guilty as charged.
Punk ass.
What?
Bitch ass.
Excuse me?
Was hast du denn diesmal für uns, ha?
But where's your love for the hood? JB ain't doing good. He needs help. We need your help, nigga. We gonna lose everything.
Wer ist jetzt schon wieder JB?
Shit.
What do I gotta do?
Same as before, boo. A little help with the tow truck. Nothing
Echt?
for a real man like you.
Ach, das ist der Abschlepptyp.
Get yourself together. Your ass done went crazy.
Warum müssen wir aber zum... Oh, sind wir es mit? Warum müssen wir immer sei Scheiße
You
machen?
never could say no to me, Franklin couldn't. I ain't so cracked out I don't remember that night behind the burger shop.
Not this again. What, we was like 13?
But you was a man after that night.
Damn, every time with this shit. And nothing even happened.
It's all good, baby. I know that wound ain't healed.
Guck mal, wenigstens Geld dafür, Mann. Das war schon echt geil.
You know I don't copy. I'm an original. Yeah, we got baby,
I don't copy, I'm an original.
You need me?
Die ist so unsympathisch.
Fighting the feminist cause, dear, ain't you?
Gänzlich unsympathisch.
We're on, boo. Let's move it out.
Let's go. Wenigstens ist der Job simpel.
Man, JB need to get his head straight.
JB's going
Die sind aber alle voll gedröhnt mit Drogen die ganze Zeit. Das ist
Sitting on his ass smoking
irgendwie auch so ein Problem bei denen. Ich weiß jetzt leider nicht mehr, was das Problem von JB war.
good to cover a brother.
Aber war der nicht irgendwie im Gefängnis oder so?
covering that brother for 20
Keine Ahnung. Ey, ich schwör's da, wenn so eine Aufgabennummer kommt. Ja, perfekt, haben wir's jetzt, oder? Abkoppelbonus, Missionszeit, wunderbar. Haben wir das? Komm, geh raus da. Bist dich. Was ist das für Kackmucke, Mann? Non-stop Pop FM. You love it, even if you pretend you don't. So, hi. Was müssen wir hier machen?
Message from me, get off your fat ass.
I see this exercise stuff's about as relaxing for you as it is for my wife.
No, I don't want to sleep with you, and no, I don't care that I'm 39 and single. It doesn't worry me a bit.
Easy.
Oh, sie
I'm not
ist
stressed out
sehr
at all. Now
gestresst.
go fuck yourself.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Ich glaube, der Sport bringt nicht so viel, oder?
I'm on a run.
Yeah, well, you seem a little upset.
I could still run you into the fucking ground.
Okay. Hey, I played high school football, all right, sweetheart? All state, QB.
Whatever. Just don't have a coronary. Let's go!
Okay, let's go!
Whoa!
Okay, man, boobs, race you to the beach! I don't know who I'm more embarrassed.
Also, ganz ehrlich, ich glaube nicht, dass wir das Rennen hier schaffen.
It's running. How much gear do you need?
I can hear you wheezing.
Ich kann es mir wirklich beim besten Willen nicht vorstellen.
Oh, look who it is! The man who can't stay on the path.
Was für, ich muss auf dem Weg bleiben, hä? Ich muss einfach nur die Punkte sammeln, was ist los? Jo, die fetzt da hinten auch ganz schön entlang.
I can't tell if you're loving this or hating it.
Okay, da haben wir jetzt ein bisschen Ausdauer gecheatet und bin nämlich immer runtergesprungen. Aber ich glaube, beim besten Willen nicht, dass wir so weit kämen. Wie weit müssen wir denn eigentlich noch? Ah, gar nicht mehr so weit. Dann können wir jetzt aber durchziehen. Ja, kriegen jetzt Damage. Ja, hilft ja nichts, oder? Aber die ist halt auch da hinten gleich. Wir haben es geschafft. Aber safe nicht auf 100%.
Not too shabby, huh?
Totally null and void. I'd have annihilated you if you hadn't taken that shortcut.
Entweder die sagt es immer oder nicht.
Get through it. Oh, my chest. Fuck me.
Screw you! You're lucky I'm tapering for a try.
Und ciao. Mary Ann. Hallo, hallo. Herausforderung nicht geschafft. Ja, da muss ich wahrscheinlich nur mehr ran. Aber das war mir von Anfang an klar. Die Ausdauer ist halt doch noch nicht. Ist halt doch noch nicht. Wie weit sind wir noch mit Ausdauer? Ja, ein bisschen über der Hälfte. Und Franklin? Ja, Franklin hat ein bisschen mehr. Ja, Ausdauer plus, let's go. Dann geht's beim nächsten Mal zu Lester. Und zwar richtig steht zum Money scheffeln. Oh yeah.